Good morning, students. I am going to start a new lesson today, that's wrestling with the forwards. Wrestling with the forwards. Forwards means with what? Surname. It's a surname. So here, wrestling means already you know that. What will tell in Kannada? Kusti, isn't it? So here, first we'll see warm up. Women have always had to struggle to make their mark in sports. In an interview, Indian boxer Mary Kom spoke about how difficult it was for her to get into the sport. She said there are so many rules in society about what a woman can or cannot do. Boxing is not considered respectable for women, and nobody believed I could be a boxing champion, not even my friends. So there are many restrictions in our country, in India, because it's a cultured country. So she is telling that she also faced many difficulties when she was practicing for the boxing sport. So she stated no one believed that she would win the medals and she will be the champions. No one believed, and even her friends also not believed that she would win. So here, Kom went on to win a bronze medal for boxing at the 2012 London Olympics. At last, she won the bronze medal. That time, all the Indians were very much happy, very much feeling proud of this Mary Kom. But before, she was not supported. She was very much insulted because boxing was considered that the men's sport. Women should not play this sport. Many were opposing this one. So now discuss in class, are there certain sports women are not encouraged to play? Why do you think this is so? Are these reasons valid? What you would say to them? So sports should be encouraged to all. Women should not be restricted. They should also be supported. Should you support to them? Now read this real life story about 6 sisters who became champions in a field that was still then dominated by men. So wrestling means kusti. Always Indians believe that it's a men game, men sport. Women should not play this one. It was believed. So here is a story. The girls played the wrestling and they won the medals also in Commonwealth Games, in Olympics. Okay. Now let us start this lesson. Mahavir Singh Pawar was a young wrestler from Balali, a small village in Haryana. He had dreamed of taking part in the international competitions, even the Olympics. But his dream had not come true and he settled down to a quiet government job in his village. However, he had hopes for the sons that he would be born to him. They would fulfill his dream. So this Mahavir Singh Pawar, he was a wrestler from Balali, a small village in Haryana. So he dreamed that he won the medals in international competitions and in Olympics. But he tried well, but he could not win the medals in international games. And he settled down by securing a government job. And what he thought, when the sons are born to him, okay, then his sons will fulfill his dream. He thought like that. This story is also played in cinema film. This one, Dangal. Amir Khan has done this film about this six sisters wrestling. On a cold winter day in 1988, a daughter was born to Mahavir. As he looked at the little girl in his arms, he was not disappointed. He declared with love that she would one day make the family proud. So he thought that a boy would take birth. But here the girl child took birth, and he was not disappointed. He was not disappointed when the girl child was born to him. He made up his mind that this girl will be the champion in wrestling. That little girl was Geeta Phogat, India's first female wrestler to qualify for the Olympics. Today Geeta has three sisters and a brother. Her parents have also adopted Mahavir's brothers, two girls. All six sisters, Geeta, Babita, Ritu, Sangeeta, Vinesh and Priyanka, have grown up to be international wrestlers. See here, how many sisters Geeta had? Geeta had three sisters and a brother, and they also adopted two girls from their relatives, and they practice very well wrestling. Wrestling was a male dominated sport in India. Dominated means controlled. It was controlled by the males. Chandiram, another wrestler from Haryana, was the first Pahilwan in the country to encourage and train women in the sport. He began by training his own daughters. His determination to include women in the sport influenced his former student Mahavir Singh Phogat. So another Pahilwan who supported the girls for the wrestling competitions was the Chandiram. So he was also a coacher of this Mahavir Singh Phogat. He coached Mahavir Singh Phogat for wrestling. And he also encouraged his own daughter for the wrestling. Everyone in his village was strongly opposed to having women in wrestling, but Mahavir had other ideas. If a woman can be the prime minister of a country, why can't she be a wrestler? So here, so everyone in his village opposed this Mahavir Singh because he was giving training to their daughters for the wrestling purpose, wrestling sport. All the villagers were opposite of this Mahavir because they considered that wrestling is a male dominated game. It's not a girls game. They consider it is a boys game. So, but Mahavir was thinking different only. He had different thoughts. He thought that a girl can become a prime minister. If a girl can become a prime minister, then why can't she become a wrestler? Why can't she participate in wrestling international games? He was he was having such thought. Okay, already you know that who is the first Prime Minister of India? Srimati Indira Gandhi. She was the first Prime Minister of India. So he was thinking that a woman can become a president. A woman can become a Prime Minister of India. Then why can't these girls can become these wrestler champions? He was thinking like this. Okay, next part I will continue tomorrow. Thank you.